We are living in a time when you can get liposuction during your lunch hour and go to parties for Botox injections. Cosmetic surgery is so commonplace that we may spend more time shopping for a car than looking into the credentials of our surgeons. Tonight, WHAS 11's Kirby Adams is about to show you some very disturbing photographs of cosmetic surgery gone very bad. But she also talks with an expert who explains how you can avoid it all.
Everybody wants everything for nothing now and nothing less than perfection, please.
But that quest for perfection, highlighted in the headlines, can sometimes have devastating results. It did for Donda West, the mother of hip-hop star Kanye. She died after surgery performed by Dr. Jan Adams, a non-board certified surgeon.
Because of all the competition in the market, you have people offering things that they may not be capable of doing.
These photographs are difficult to look at, but the woman's abdomen will never be normal again. The doctor who operated on her was not able to perform the type of surgery he told her he could, a tummy tuck.
This was the worst plastic surgery case that I had ever reviewed, by far.
These are photographs after a repair was made. Her attorney, Hans Poppe, says her settlement requires she not speak publicly about her injuries, but she'll never fully recover.
The doctor was not a plastic surgeon, but fancied himself a plastic surgeon and held himself out as being able to do cosmetic procedures.
Repairing poor outcomes has now become big business.
But that's a bad tummy tuck.
From terrible tummy tucks to lousy liposuction, Dr. Jerry O'Daniel now devotes about 25% of his practice to reversing and reshaping cosmetic surgery mistakes.
That's 4 weeks after surgery. The things that I see typically are not, quote, botched jobs. They're less than desirable outcomes. And a lot of times those desirable outcomes go right back to the first consultation, where a patient walks into the room and says, "Doctor, I want this." And what they wanted really wasn't realistic.
O'Daniel says patients should start with the basics by insisting on using a board-certified surgeon. Also, ask to see pictures. Talk to other patients. Be aware that the length of time you are under sedation increases your risks. And remember, when it comes to something as serious as surgery, it's not a good idea to cut corners.
We turn patients down as much as they turn us down because we talk to them, and if they don't have realistic expectations, then we don't feel they're good candidates. And there's no reason for me to embark on an operative procedure that I don't think that a person's going to be happy with in the end, just to be paid for the operation. You save yourself some headaches.
How safe is the doctor you choose to have operate on you? I talked to Hans Poppe about that, and he says the only way you can know if they have malpractice suits filed against them is to go down to the Jefferson Circuit Courthouse. And then you can only know for each county. That would mean you would have to check into Jefferson County, Hardin County, perhaps Paducah, wherever that doctor may have moved. Kirby Adams, WHAS 11 News.
Well, information about the complaint against Dr. Jan Adams was found on the Medical Board of California's website. Now, to see if your doctor is listed on the Federation of State Medical Boards, you can log on to WHAS11.com.